Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at TrackGo Pro, a tracking device that's being advertised heavily online. On the website, it claims to be a simple, affordable way to keep track of your car, keys, or other valuables. It highlights features like long battery life, water resistance, no monthly fees, and even a lifetime warranty. At first glance, it sounds like a perfect alternative to expensive trackers like Apple's AirTag or Tile. But when you dig deeper, there are a lot of red flags that suggest this might not be as good as it looks. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. One of the first things that stands out are the unrealistic claims. The website makes a big deal about no monthly fees because it supposedly connects directly to Apple's Find My network and Google's new Find Hub. But here's the issue. Apple only allows certified devices with their special chipset to work with Find My. If TrackGo really had that certification, Apple would officially list them, which they don't. The same goes for Google's Find My device system, which is still very new and also requires certification. So it's very unlikely this device is truly compatible in the way they claim. On top of that, the promise of a lifetime warranty is another red flag. These kinds of guarantees are often marketing tricks, and when small dropshipping gadget sellers disappear or stop responding, that warranty is basically worthless. The website itself also looks suspicious. What they label as their terms of use is actually just a generic Shopify privacy policy. It doesn't outline customer rights, obligations, or refund policies, and it doesn't even disclose who owns or operates the site. There's no company name, no address, and no registration details. That makes it impossible to know who's behind the business. It also admits to sharing your personal information with Google, Facebook, and other advertising partners, while openly ignoring browser do not track signals. That shows very little regard for transparency or user privacy. Then there's the issue of customer feedback. While the website claims thousands of happy customers and a 4.7-star rating, reviews outside of their site tell a very different story. On Trustpilot, buyers say they never received their orders, never got email confirmations, and that the company ignores messages. Those who did get the product said it barely worked, with a range limited to basic Bluetooth. Good for finding your keys at home, but useless for tracking a car or anything at a distance. Some reviewers also noted that the tracker depends on a network of other app users, which is extremely limited, so in real life, it doesn't function as promised. And finally, the pricing raises another red flag. TrackGo Pro sells for around $32 per unit, but the exact same device is available on Alibaba for under $5. This suggests the company is likely dropshipping, buying cheap products in bulk and reselling them at a huge markup. Dropshipping itself isn't always a scam, but combined with all the other concerns, unrealistic claims, fake reviews, and poor customer service, it casts serious doubt on the value and reliability of the product. So what's the bottom line? TrackGo Pro might not be a total scam, but the evidence shows a lot of reasons to be cautious. Between the exaggerated promises, questionable website policies, negative reviews, and inflated pricing, this product raises more red flags than trust. If you're considering it, I'd recommend doing more research and sticking with well-known brands. Always be careful with your money online and consult a professional before trusting products that sound too good to be true.